A very warm good morning to all my grade 4 students. Welcome to our EVS class. I hope all of you are doing very well at your home. Children, today we are going to discuss a very important chapter, that is chapter 7, Light. Light is a form of energy that enables us to see all the things around us. For example, bulbs and the sun. Light energy is very quick and travels faster than anything. In this chapter, let us learn more about light. Children, in this chapter, you will be able to understand how light travels, and you also be able to understand about reflection and refraction. You also will be able to differentiate between transparent, translucent and opaque object. So let's start our next slide. How light travels in straight line. Children, as we know, light is a form of energy. Light can travel in the vacuum of space. Once light has been produced, it will keep traveling in a straight line until it hits something else. It means light rays travel in a straight lines from the light source. When it hits an object, some light is absorbed and the rest reflects off to us. It means light travels in a straight line from a light source, and if an object passes in front of it, the light can be blocked. Reflection and refraction. At first, we will talk about reflection. Children, have you noticed that when you throw a ball on the wall, it bounces off? When light hits anything, it bounces off as well. When light falls on any object, it reflects back. This is called as reflection of light. When this reflected light reaches our eyes, we can see these objects. Now, refraction. If you see a pencil kept in an empty glass jar, from the sides, how will it appear? It will appear straight. Now, if you add water to the glass jar till it is half filled, how would the pencil appear? Children, it would appear slightly bent or even broken into two pieces. Refraction is the bending or changing in the direction of light when it travels from one medium to another. Example, from air to water. Children, we see an object because the light that hits on it reflects back, and that reflected light makes us see the objects. It means you can see the details of objects on the other side of transparent objects. So what is transparent object? Transparent objects allow you to see clearly through them. This is because light completely passes through transparent objects such as a clear empty glass or glass bowl, etc. Now, translucent objects. Translucent objects allow some light to pass through them, and some light is absorbed or reflect back. So they only allow some light to pass through them. This means that we can partially see through them, such as indent letter, paper, etc. Now we will discuss about opaque materials. Children, almost everything around us is opaque object. There are certain objects which do not allow any light to pass through them. They are known as opaque objects. Example, wood, mobile phone, etc. So this is all we have in this chapter, light. Before concluding this chapter, let's revise what we have learned in this chapter. First of all, we have learned that Light travels in a straight line, and when it hits any objects or something come in the way, it reflects, and some light absorbed and some light reaches to us. Other important subtopic was translucent, transparent and opaque objects. Let's revise them also. Children, there are certain objects which allow light to completely pass through them. They are called as transparent objects. For example, clear glass and clear plastic sheet. And there are certain objects which allow light to pass through them partially. They are called as translucent objects. For example, paper and frosted glass. There are also certain objects which do not allow any light to pass through them. They are called as opaque objects. For example, wood and pen. I hope this chapter is clear to all of you. Still, if you have any doubts, you can note down them and ask in the live class tomorrow. So till then, take care and thank you all.